What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. Welcome back to another video. Now, in this one, I want to talk about a project that has been breaking out. I wasn't going to make any more videos for today, but as of the time of recording, this project looks phenomenal. And when I made this investment, when I put it out on Patreon and different places, people were like, what are you doing? Why are you making this investment? You know, it's at a lower market cap. It doesn't make sense that it would move. And my thought process was that it was connected to something that was very popular, which is kind of the same name, same community, but just without the halting that goes on in the stock market. So I want to talk about the project GameStop. GME, that's over here on CoinMarketCap. I will show you which one I'm talking about because there's other ones that are GameStop. There's other ones that are created that are also seeing a little bit of a return. But this one is seeing a pretty massive return compared to where I invested at and where this was even at a lower stage. And I wish I was thinking about investing a lot more at those levels, but I didn't. I ended up just investing and believing in where it is and believing in where it can go and investing a decent amount. It wasn't a crazy amount, it was a decent amount compared to what I have in my entire portfolio. But right now, it's breaking out at the time of recording this video. So if you guys could, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out some of the links down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to follow me on Twitter or follow me on Patreon, those links are in the description. Now, just to let you know, my throat seems a little bit sore at the moment. So, it's kind of, it may not be any different because, I typically cough during my videos, but it's a little bit sore because the kids were sick. Hayden had a fever, and now, things are moving on to me. So either way, we're going to get this video out to you. We're going to try and get some more content as well about this. But as I saw it, I was like, this is moving just way too much not to mention before I decide to leave today. But let's go ahead and look at my portfolio. Now, I initially went into my portfolio and I was like, it's at 250,000. It's at $250,000. And I was like, this is fantastic. $250,000 is the first time I've hit this milestone just in looking at my overall crypto balance, right? Up $132,000, 80% of what I have invested there. Best performer, 41,000, which is VSG. Worst performer, CRO, is just not doing well. But as I looked at it, I was like, this is up significantly because it was only at like 39,000. And the reason it's up so much is because of GameStop. GameStop is up 96% today. It's up to 2.1 cents and growing, right? It broke past the previous high point that it was at. And now we're seeing this at 2.1 cents, up 22% in the last hour, up 96% in the last 24 hours, and 411% in the last 7 days. It's up to $26,000 worth of a balance for me. Now, as we see that, you also see my profit is a lot higher. Now, this can't be right on the profit because I did take about, I believe it was $12,000 worth of profit, 12 or 15,000. So this can't be fully right. Sorry. But I did have 3 million coins before this, and now we're sitting at 1.25. And the reason why we're at 1.25 is because I sold over half of what I had just to be able to get my profit. I've only invested $1,200 into this, and I turned it into like $12,000 to $15,000, which again, phenomenal to be able to gain that much from an investment of $1,000. Which there was a bunch of people that said that I don't know about this play. I don't think it'll work out. I don't think that you have the right idea here. And I was like, look, it's okay for everybody to have their opinion. It's okay for everybody to feel a certain way about certain things, but it's not going to change my mindset and what I want to invest into. If I'm wrong, I'm wrong. But if I'm right, I'm right. You can see that. So anyways, GameStop's in at $26,616.37. Now, the reason why I thought that this was going to be popular, the reason why I thought this was going to run, is because you saw what happened to GameStop in the stock market and how it is manipulated over there. Now, with it being manipulated and being halted 7,000 times on the way up and 0 times on the way down, you understand that you need a place to where everybody in this community can thrive and be able to see growth without manipulation, without halting. And the crypto market is where that is. So I knew that once you had a valid position, once you had a position that was created, that looked like it was legit, that looked like they were launching on different exchanges in different places, of course I would go with that. So as you see, a month ago, this is up 3,420%, or I guess now 2,745%, but it's up a significant amount from this level of 0005452. My cost basis is 2015. If I would have decided to invest more at these lower levels, which I was going to, I just didn't want to put more money in. I didn't want to buy any more cryptocurrency, right? I still really haven't bought much or many dollars worth of cryptocurrency since then, because all of my movement has just been growth. Anything that I've taken out has been the growth that I've had. I've taken my initial investment, taken some profit. I've been doing that. And I don't want to throw a bunch more money in there and then risk a bunch of money that I had as the market is skyrocketing, right? You want to be in it before that skyrocket, then profit during the process. So anyways, you can see it starting to retrace a little bit. It's at 1.9 cents. It did break past this level of 1.9 here, or 2 cents. It went up to 2.1 cents at one point. And currently it's at a $133 million market cap with about $200 million worth of volume, a 132% volume to market cap ratio. Now, I believe that this has a lot of potential. Anytime we see GameStop run, right? Anytime we see the position GameStop run over in the stock market, we're going to see GME that runs as well. So if GME is running, which from last time I checked, it is running, it's up 47% on the day, and it's up 8% in the after hours. So as you see it up to $50, people are now interested in anything GameStop, anything related, anything that has that linkage. And this does have that linkage that we all want. From going from today, in the last day, going from 31 all the way up to 50. I mean, that's phenomenal movement in the stock market, let alone looking at the crypto market and seeing how much that's up in the last day, which is like, what, 84%? Absolutely phenomenal. So understand that this is all a piece of the puzzle. When you go to the website, it's about the community and, different pieces of this and where you can get it and all the different types of stuff. It just screamed to me that this was going to be it. There are others, but this screamed to me that it was going to be the major player in the game. I feel like I have to sneeze, and hopefully I don't. But I want to know what you guys think, because a lot of people thought I was wrong when I saw this run or when I saw this opportunity. When I invested into it, when it was at single-digit millions of dollars, when I invested into this at a very low point, not the lowest point, but definitely a very low point, people didn't see the opportunity. But I find a way to see those opportunities, and not only see those opportunities, but also profit off of it in the short term as well as the long term. Now, I'm still holding the 1.25 million. I haven't done anything with it because I already profited off of this, $15,000 basically. I'm looking for something bigger. With my 1.25 million that I have in there, I'm looking to profit a lot off of that, at least $1 million, to be able to gain maybe $1 million out of it, which would be freaking phenomenal. I know it would. Guys, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. I want to know what you guys think about this, whether you think it's going to blow up during this altcoin season, whether you think it's going to blow up at any time. I want to know your opinion. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Make sure you check out my link for Margex if you guys want to trade on Margex. That link is down there. I'm going to get out of here, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.